WCP model clutch, there are 2 set screws on each side of the pin that the arm pivots on. After removing these set screws on both sides of the arm using a 1/4-inch Allen wrench, gently tap the pin out. Now the cam arm can be removed. On some models you might have to press on the top of the clutch by hand to offer more clearance to remove the arms. Now you can make any desired cam arm adjustments in your WCP model clutch. Please find our video titled CVT STM Primary Cam Arm, Flyweights, Tuning Tips video for cam arm tuning guidance. Very important step when reinstalling the cam arms. Start by installing one of the set screws until the head is flush with the hole. Install the pin making sure it's lined up with the cam arm to not damage the bushing when installing. Most important. When installing the set screws you must torque them to only 50 inch-pounds. Any more than that will cause the towers to spread and make the clutch noisy and potentially cause damage. Thanks for watching.